Well, happy summer, North Plains Elementary community. Just wanted to do a little update on a very exciting project. Many of you know that our breezeway area has needed some tender loving care for a while now. Huge shout out to Mrs. DeBolt, who has spearheaded everything around this space, our spring garden club, as well as some of our students and families that have helped us water this space, as well as our other community garden in the middle of our school all throughout the summer. We are excited to continue to evolve this space. We have very clear and intentional plans for the space as our students learn more about themselves and each other. Thank you in advance for respecting this space as well. You can still access our playground and undercover area during the summer time. And I have to say, kudos to help keeping this area safe and free of vandalism. Again, we're just so grateful to be a part of North Plains.